Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to add friends in Mo.co. In Mo.co, connecting with your friends enhances your gaming experience, allowing you to team up for quests and share in-game achievements. In order to add friends on Mo.co, open up the Mo.co app on your Android or iOS devices, and then from the main screen, tap on the chat bubbles icon at the top right corner. From here, tap on the two friends icon or the two human icon at the bottom right, and then click on the plus button in pink. Now, write down the player ID of the person you want to add as a friend in the text box at the top. After typing down the player ID of your friend, you can then search for this player ID, and if it is available, you'll be able to see a list of search results from where you can select a friend you want to add. If you want to invite someone to the game, simply tap on the invite button and then select a friend from your contact list or choose any other applications from where you want to invite your friends. Once your friend accepts the request, you will be seeing each other in the game. So that's how you can easily add and connect with friends in Mo.co, enhancing your multiplayer experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.